Hello and welcome to the Luca Espresso Repair. Now here we have this beautiful Delonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we refurbished it by not only replacing the water pump that is located right here in this part of the machine, but also replacing the grinder of the machine itself. This grinder was not in the best shape, so we replaced the entire thing. New motor, new burrs, calibrated to the machine, and gave this machine a nice beautiful cleaning. Not only cleaning the spouts, but also cleaning the boilers of the machine and all the hydraulic system of it as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. You can see how the beans are feeding inside the grinder. You also can hear the transmission moving, very well lubricated. We also service the transmission, and here we have that beautiful shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Now let's test the hot water of the machine. Nice steady stream coming out of the one. And now we're going to test the steamer function of the machine as well. Excellent pressure coming out of this beautiful one. Excellent steam, great espresso shot, working amazing. So there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.